Hi, I'm Matthew Gonin. I'm the head of sales engineering at Energy Smart Group. This is a 5-minute video describing the exciting rebate program called CALeVIP 2.0 that is funded by the California Energy Commission. In this presentation, I'm going to give you an overview of the rebate program, eligibility conditions. Then we're going to describe who's the ideal business candidate, the ROI implications, and lastly, the key actions to take. So the purpose of CALeVIP 2.0 is to accelerate the deployment of publicly accessible fast charging stations throughout California. The application window for this rebate opens on July 8th, 2025, and all applications are evaluated on a first-come, first-served basis. Eligibility conditions are listed here. Please feel free to pause the video, but I'm just going to take time to describe the less obvious blue points. So firstly, these are public stations, so the primary use cannot be private for a fleet such as UPS or FedEx for their vans, or for a car dealership to charge their inventory. Has to be public 18 hours a day. So the technical requirements. The charging station, it has to have a charging port capable of dispensing 150 kilowatts at minimum. And at your site, you have to have at least 4 ports. This means the electrical infrastructure at your facility has to be capable of dispensing 600 kilowatts or at least capable of being upgraded to dispense that power. To put this in perspective, 150 kilowatts is about 10 miles of EV range per minute, and the average American drives about 37 miles per day. 50% of the charging ports have to be a CCS1 connector. You can see here from the picture, it's the one on the far left. And finally, the stations have to be networked, meaning that they can be remotely controlled and monitored, and also that they can generate technical reports. So who's the ideal candidate? Well, a business that has high vehicle traffic and has a target customer base spending less than 30 minutes at your business, and geographically is not far from a highway. So examples, convenience stores, gas stations, fast food, grocery store, all the way through to shopping malls. Hotels, casinos, multifamily housing, they are also eligible for this rebate, but because your customers spend many hours with you, it makes more sense to get the more cost-effective level 2 chargers, which are slower. So in terms of return on investment, CALeVIP is going to reduce your investment in CapEx significantly by offering $55K to $100K per charging port. That accounts for about 35 to 50% of your costs if there's nothing unusual about your electrical infrastructure. Now, once you have your EV charging stations, you're going to be able to generate new revenue streams. You'll be able to charge customers for using your stations. And in the great state of California, you'll be able to generate carbon credits, which can be earned and sold. If you have questions about this, I can tell you how and explain that in greater detail. The other benefits are increasing your property value and attracting drivers to consume your products and services. Lastly, the key actions to take. So applications have to have project costs, permits, and utility designs. Energy Smart Group can help you accomplish this. So we can help you do this by July 8th. We are an all-in-one EV charging partner. So we can do the rebate application for you, get the permits, do the engineering design, evaluate your electrical infrastructure. And once you're rewarded the rebate from CALeVIP, we can supply you the EV charging stations and install them. So you have an all-in-one partner. If you have more questions, here's my email. Please feel free to contact me. I hope you enjoyed this video about the CALeVIP rebate program and found it informative. Have a great day.